up, YouTube? Ooh, we got close. We got close. Check this out, guys. We got so close. At one point of the day, right at market close, we was up at 26. It was looking good, guys. We had earnings come out after the bell. Listen, we're going to talk all about it. I want to hear how your day went overall, because it was an overall phenomenal day in the market. But then we're going to unpack Palantir. So keep it like I got a jam-packed video. Please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Now check this out, guys. Loving on the family. This one's from David. I had a couple of these on today. It was more than a couple, but for the sake of what I'm trying to say, I had several of these on today. He said, "Greetings, coach. I know you called the levels for Palantir 23, 27, and 30. I couldn't help but take some profits at 70% mark." Listen, guys, so many of you guys called me and said, "Coach, I don't really trust earnings. I'm happy with my gains. I'm going to take some profits and let my runners run. And if they don't work out in my favor, I'm just going to be happy with the profit I took." Many of you did that today, and I want to say major salute. Okay, sometimes, guys, you have to make that call. Let me know, what did you guys decide to do first and foremost? Did you lock in some profit? We've been buying Palantir at the $20 level and no higher than 22. So even on today at 23, 24, 25, and it was $26 today, you were up big at some point in time. Let me know, what did you do, okay? Earnings was going to be that thing that got us to 27, and then my lofty target was 30, okay? That did not happen. It popped at first, and then boom, they found something to bring it down. We will see what happens tomorrow with it, but I love this, and I love all of you guys that took profits along the way. If nothing else, even if you don't sell all your position, locking in some of the game, okay? I know everybody who was in it, if you bought at the right levels, you were up at some point in time, okay? And so again, these are the lessons I'm going to talk about today. In this particular play, Dave did a phenomenal job. $696, 71%, 34% total. Phenomenal job, man. But check this out. Look at this. Palantir beats earning expectations as AI demand drives first quarter revenue. Palantir stock rose 8% ahead of its first quarter earnings report. It was rocking and rolling throughout the day, guys. Like I said, going as high as $26, like $26.40 is where I seen it at. But check this out. Two things I want to cover this for. I wanted to tackle this head on, okay? Although earnings didn't get the pop, I'm talking about take us to $30, $27, $30, okay? One thing I noticed, Wall Street sometimes will run a stock up leading up to earnings, and that very well may be the move. And right now, at the time of this recording, that looks like it's the case, okay? That very well may be the move. This 8% they talking about, that might have been our move, okay? And so, again, monitoring and managing your capital is still a thing we must do, okay? When you see profit, take profit, because, again, we oftentimes don't know how things are going to pan out, even if they're good. Look at this. Earnings beat expect. Palantir crushed earnings, guys. Guess who else crushed earnings? SoFi. What did the stock do after these awesome results? Okay, it didn't give us that bounce we were necessarily looking for. However, there was a run in the lead up to the earnings, and maybe in that instance, that's the move. So what I want you to do, make a note of that so that you see if your stock running into earnings in the future, maybe that's your cue to know that, okay, this is the move. They might not let it really rocket higher after this. Now, what do I think about Palantir moving forward? I still believe after this pullback is over, after we shake this off, they are still going to hit $27 and $30 ultimately, okay? I was just looking for it to happen by earnings, okay? So, again, if you got it at $20, you still going to be fine. If your expiration date is still out a year like we had it, you are going to be a-okay. All right, listen guys, you can rinse and repeat with this. Again, I just want to tackle this, whether you won, whether you took profit, whether you are now negative. Let me know down in the comments below, guys. I wanted to make sure I touch on this. Okay, check this out. Again, it had a nice run leading up to earnings. Okay, now look at this, guys. I want to highlight a couple stocks before I dive into Palantir again, just to see where it's at now. But check this out. Some stocks that went crazy today was the SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 516.36. It was up $5 today, guys, or a little bit over 1%. This is good to see, and look at how good they're holding in after hours. Okay, make a note of that. We talked about this in Discord this morning about it popping to 514. I love to see this level was achieved and then maintained, and then now we're sitting up here at 516. We're a little shy of all-time highs, so again, that may be something to look out for. But at all-time highs, look at this big move they made. Any big move up is going to be retraced. So after they hit all-time highs, lock your profit in. And then if you like to make money when stocks have to sell back off and cool back down, that's going to be a huge play back to the downside around to this level 511. Okay, check this one out. Nvidia, I talked about this in last night's video, that this was going to explode today, and it went crazy. It went from down here at 885 all the way up here to 921. Okay, this is a nice move. I told you guys selfishly I want this to come back to 830 or 730 before earnings. Okay, so we might get that. We might get them to come back down before earnings, but then come back to this level when they report. But again, two companies, this is the difference I want to point out. Okay, Palantir crushed earnings, so did SoFi. They didn't get the benefit of the doubt. I'm hoping that this company gets the benefit of the doubt if they are able to succeed as well. But again, if you see a run up before they report, like I just pointed out with Palantir, I want you guys to look at that as a cautionary tale, as a sign to lock in profits. Okay, you guys are doing a phenomenal job. And then check this one out. This one caught my attention. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I was very happy to see this 2% move today. Guys, it's been stuck down like in the 170s, like 170, 177. Today it got back up here and cleared 184. Look at this, 185 right here, high of 187. It didn't hold it. It got smacked back down when it got there to 182. But I'm happy it bounced off 182 and cleared 185 before closing right here, guys, at 184. Okay, listen, again, things I'm paying attention to, because if we can get some movement in Tesla, if Tesla can clear 184, they're going to go back and test 187. If they can break resistance, which is 187, it opens a floodgate. I'm saying 190 to be conservative, but 200 wouldn't even be out the picture. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at Palantir to close it out. Okay, Palantir, I showed you guys this. Look at this. This is where it was at. It was looking good. It was looking real good, up 3%. Okay, but then after they beat, they popped a little bit, but then Wall Street found something they didn't like. Look at this. It came down to $22.99, popped back to 24. And now we're back down here at 23.18. Okay, so we're down 8% or $2 after earnings. Okay, so listen, our price targets was 23, 27, and 30. Only one got hit, 23. And this is by earnings. Now, again, we got a longer horizon, so yes, they will get hit if you want to continue to hold this for the long haul. Okay. If you took profits, let me know if you did that. If you still holding, let me know that as well, especially if you need to know what to do next. But listen, after earnings, when you go down, okay, when you go down, you need to wait 2 trading days. So tomorrow and then Wednesday, to see if we recover or if there's more downward movement, okay? And then that will be your cue that you might need to pivot, okay? Long as they hold above $20, I'm fine. That's exactly where I bought this at, okay? If they go below there, I'll then reassess the chart. And if it tells me to go down, meaning puts, I'll make some money on the downside if it's going to go like to $17 or something like that, okay? Something I'll be looking at, but nothing that I'm really concerned about. If the uptrend in this is still intact, they crush earnings. And so if they shake this off and it's just some stuff we're seeing tonight, but tomorrow they're up, all will be well. They'll go back to 26. They'll go back to 27. And again, I'll cap it at 27 because I was looking for earnings to get us to 30. Now, if it's just a regular trading day, I'm expecting 27 to be around that area. Okay, so 26, 27 is a good profit taking zone if you got it in the low 20s or at 22. Okay, you still should be doing fine. With that being said, guys, I just wanted to come on here today, talk about this, get us prepared for tomorrow. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Monday sets the tone, guys. We came out the gate, knocked the spot out the park. We came out the gate. Tesla did his thing. That's how you want to start the week, okay? Look to do the same thing tomorrow, but the market will guide us, okay? We don't guess, we don't gamble, we don't front run. We are going to react to what we see. All right, so again, guys, listen, phenomenal job to start the week. Do me a favor. Be locked, loaded, ready to go. Bring your A game tomorrow. Have a plan. Continue to identify the stock you want to make money with tomorrow and start your preparation tonight. With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.